Okay, here we go again. We're back with another gift bundle, Final Fantasy, hotcakes. At the moment, everyone is paying crazy prices for those. We're gonna crack one open, and also one of these secret lair that I just got in the mail this week. I'm very excited about this as well. Very good product. Launch was a bit rocky. Not everyone managed to get theirs at retail price. Lots of people upset. But we got ours, so that's good. Alright, we're gonna open this one. Pretty awesome art. Sided as well. This one's particularly pretty. One of the nicest bundle box ones in a while. So on the left, collect a booster, dice. We'll keep the box around as well. Oh, save that later. Okay, so we get a shot at getting some extended art cards in this little land bundle. Some of them are very pricey. Chase cards of the sets. We get a pretty good one. Mythic. And then we get another. And then you get some foil lands as well. Some of the scenery might look familiar. This one's particularly nice. Chocobos on the left. This is a very decent pool. People like looking for their commanders in that extended foil treatment. Give the D20. The symbol is a crystal. Pretty cool. We'll start with the play boosters. So we've opened 2 already, and they were very good. So not too phased if this one turns out to be mid, let's say. But hopefully you're paying for, some fire. We'll start with Kenrith. So we're off to a good start already. Kenrith treatment from 3D Ages, sorry. Which the reskin is called Noctis Lutis Calum. So reskin of Kenrith the Return King. Big commander, 5 colors. Pretty good. Another mythic, Emmet, and it flips to 80s, Sorcerer of Eld. Second mythic already. Bunch of comments. I've already taken my time to put all the comments and non-comments in previous openings. I won't spend too much time looking at those. We're looking for our first traveling chocobo as well. This is a good foil as well. Another 3D Ages. This time Finn the Fangbearer. So Finn the Fangbearer is a pretty famous Death Dash commander. Pretty good. Starting town, very good rare. CTO Brass like land, so I can only appreciate in value, obviously. Put this one here. Tomberry. Instant Ramen. Saboten and Marlboro. Okay. So we get 9 player boosters in there, 1 collector boosters. Boosters that go for about 150 Australian dollars at the moment, which is insane if you're trying to enjoy the set as well. Tifa, so that's my first Tifa, landfall commander, very powerful. Could have some legs in standard as well, with Edge of Eternity support for landfall, so keep an eye on that as well. Edgar, King of Figaro, Summon Shiva, Sandworm, Rufus, Nice Magic, Combat Tutorial, Simplex, okay. Not too bad either. Tifa here, up. We already pulled the Buster Sword. Really nice. We pulled the Heuristic Study as well. Bahamut we did. Blitzball foil, pretty nice. Button Boko. Sidequest Erase Chocobo. Final Fantasy 7. Iconic Quest. Crystal Chosen. Bunch of comments. Knights of the Round Table would be cool to pull, especially in one of the collector pack treatment. That's Chocobo in foil, pretty nice as well. Our first extended Adventure Land, so pretty decent. We'll put this cute one here. So yeah, this is the green one, doubling the counters. Not doubling the counters, no, sorry, that's not this one. Just put an extra +1 counter for each land you control. When it enters, it creates a colorless era 1/1. Crystal Fragment, Argentum Eject. Starting turn so far stands out as one of the best lands in this set. The black one as well, the Mako City, pretty decent, it's got some legs for sure. Odin, so Odin is a pretty powerful card, I think. If you manage to play with where the counters are and keep repeating effects, it can get out of control for sure, so pretty happy with that. Go-Go as well, another mythic. Go-Go has the capacity of copying a triggered ability, X time, and it's a bit niche, but it can be pretty broken. Demon Wall, Tia, bunch of commons. Go-Go pretty powerful. So far, solid play boosters, I'd say. Nothing too crazy. We'll see if we can get a search foil in the collector pack. These are definitely where the money are. Wind Crystal, decent. Zidane, Verniers, Flips, Alpha Ragnarok, Queen Brunme, Overkill. Overkill is pretty decent and common. There's a combo with Joseph the Pit and that Cactor guy. Crystal will go here. Up. This is our last bundle to open. Unless I get some from somewhere else, but these prices are quite crazy, so we'll wait for the market to cool down. So we've got Squall here, Sin Mercenary. This is pretty decent effect, Orzhov style, but very decent. Fenrir as well, good and common. notable uncommons. We've got Rendezvous series, which has 4 different printing with Final Fantasy 7 characters. You have Sid as well, which has I think a total of 9 printing. 9 games for Sid. It's weird. The foils are quite pricey. Okay, another Through the Ages Lab Maniac. So that's a good one to have as well. Nice card. Riskin is named Vanadil Adventures. Street Thief, Ether, one Inspiration, Black Bolts. That's all our play boosters. We're gonna open this guy here. Get a shot at a neon chocobo. Hero token. Copy. We get Ban Street Thief. So he's our extended foil. It's not too bad. Get Carpet of Flower. It's a nice card. Foiling is really popping. Full Sea Paradise. Very pretty card. Just put this here. In his whistle. Yeah. Bit of a whiff. Setzer. Sath. Ultima. Sit of the Sanctum. Nothing crazy in this card to boosters. Carpet of Flower is nice. No big money cards, but this is fine. Such a treat to be able to enjoy cards like this. They've really done some amazing work with that series. I'm trying to get more of those at a decent price, but the market is still red hot, so this will have to wait. Like this one as well. Extend, pretty hard to pull. Okay, now, so we'll open that secret lair. Rainbow foil Grimoire. Get the VV Bolt in there. Get Cyclonic Rift. Commander Staple, hated by a lot of people. Rightly so, I think. Rightly so. And you get a shot at some alternate art for the Elementals Modern Horizon 2. Grief, Solitude, Endurance, etc. Okay, we'll start. Prismatic Ending, so Yuna's Holy Magic. That card is looking amazing. The printer line as well, which is good. Here's the Cyclonic Rift. Oops, Arrow Magic is the Riskin name. Earth Magic is Dame. Vivis Thunder Magic. Such a good card. Heroic Intervention, always good to have. Aerith Karaga Magic. And we get a Silence as well. So no Elemental, still awesome bonus card. So that was our Final Fantasy opening for today. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Got some pretty powerful cards, some pretty cards as well. Through the Ages series. The gift that keeps on giving. So this is from the Secret Lair. That VV is amazing. So is that Cyclonic Rift. That's secret lair, pulled carpet with flower as well, foil, Commander Staple, that Maniac, Finn and Kenrith. So overall, pretty happy. Alright, thank you very much for watching the video, and then if you like it, just please like and consider subscribing as well for more content coming up your way.